up and then drove it out.
How'd you get it past all the four-wheelers?
Huh?
How'd you get it past the four-wheelers?
You know your like metal things? I put it onto the wall kind of closer. And then I like poured it on the over the thing so it wouldn't go in the gap like that where our windows are.
You used one of my ramps?
Huh?
You laid out one of my ramps?
No.
Well, this whole thing is orchestrated by Boston, so you kids follow Bossy and see what he wants you to do.
We're almost done. I just need to pour it and then we can jump in the pile.
Alright. Good job.
3, 2, 1. Whoa! That was awesome. Oh my god! They get taller again. I go second. I go this time. I'm third. Okay, Cody, you're after me. I'm scared. What? Yeah! Okay, it's way bigger than you think because it looks small, but it looks really big. Okay, Cody, go.
Pick over your legs first.
Not the face, guys, not the face.
We'll just put like a rhyme with it. Cody, you land on Boston.
No! Like it's stop. 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Three, two, one. Yeah!
Day 2 of watching the kids and all their friends play in the leaves. They're playing soccer right now, but they've been jumping in the leaves on the tramp and just like truly enjoying just being a kid and being outside, when I've been loving watching them from the window as I make some soup for dinner.
In our so-called liberation of self, we've only bound the shackles more tightly. Free up your mind and start thinking a good thought. Free your mind and be still. Free your mind and be still. Free your mind and be still, and be still. has brought us up to this point. It will carry us far beyond it until we are nothing. Sometimes I feel like we're just words on a page. Close your eyes and be still. Close your eyes and be still. Close your eyes and be still. And be still.